All right, today's the day.
We're going to the island of
Capri. Yep, we're gonna do a boat tour. It's gonna take us around the island. We're gonna see the exterior of the island, a bunch of cool landscape stuff, and then they're gonna drop us off at the island. We're excited. Long way down these stairs. Beautiful views though. That's where we're going. You ready for this, Rachie?
I'm ready.
All right. So we made it to Capri.
It's really hot.
Very hot.
Making it to number 23 for another boat.
Yeah, we're gonna take a separate boat for the tour around the island now. Looks like we're gonna get a swim break now. All right, go ahead, Rach. All right. It's a little bit rough.
A little bit rough.
Still pretty cool.
Refreshing.
All right, we're on dry land now. Right now we're looking for a beach because we're both really, really hot. We haven't exactly decided what we're gonna do here, but all we know is that we want to go swimming. So I'm kicking myself.
Why?
My GoPro SD card was completely full,
Oh god.
so I wasn't able to do any footage.
But there were fish in that swimming area.
Yeah, I was having a great time snorkeling. I even saw one of those little like flounder type fish with the two eyes on one side.
That's cool.
But yeah, there's great swimming here. There's even better swimming here than at Sorrento. Doing a little shopping, Rachie? We're having a good time exploring the little town here. Really beautiful. Don't you think, Rach?
So we bought some fruit in the fruit stand. This is a very big peach. Very juicy. Very good. Thumbs up.
Hey, Rachie, having fun?
Yeah, I'm sticking my feet in and just enjoying the water.
Yep.
The scenery. The views amazing.
Yes, they are. We're hanging out with all the yachts. Probably not supposed to be over here, but no one's said anything. More free water. I love this country. I got a cannoli. So excited. First one in Italy.
10 out of 10?
Delicious.
What are those gummy things?
I think they're cherries.
Wow.
Not exactly. I'm not like that one's definitely a cherry. I'm not sure about this. Yeah, I think it's a cherry.
That's cool.
Yeah. Rachie, honey, what do you got there?
So I got another one of these ices because it's hot again. This time I switched it up and got Frigola.
Yeah, strawberry. Tastes good?
Really good.
Good. Gonna make our way this way. This is where Rachel and I were swimming earlier. Specifically over there. Just makes me want to go swimming again. Maybe walk a little bit and go swimming, Rach?
Okay.
All right, sounds good. We're gonna go ahead and head down these stairs and go swimming again. It's very, very hot. Well, we're all done now. We're just waiting for our boat ride back to Sorrento.
Yep. My favorite part was definitely swimming because it's hot, so it felt good to get in the water.
I agree. Second favorite was the boat ride around the island, seeing all those views. It's great. Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Tomorrow we do another boat tour. We go to Positano and Amalfi.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
So look forward to that footage. See you next time.